And then step 3, multiple reviews. So we're going to have different floor plans that you look at. So this is a 2D version of how we go through the beginning design review 1 that then turns into the design review 2. So design review 1 can be more than one meeting. Sometimes it takes 2 meetings, sometimes it takes 3 meetings. But the goal of this is to find the project that you're going to want us to build for you. Okay, so we have these floor plans to start out with. Depending on whether you go 2D or 3D, it starts out with a 2D version. And you can see, I'm going to show you 3 different versions of a kitchen in the same house in 3 different locations. And they're all going to have a cost based on that particular location. This is what we would do with you to help you make your decision as well. And you might say, well, I like that little powder room in the corner. You know, maybe it doesn't fit with the kitchen design you like, but maybe it does. So here, that's $125,000 for that kitchen. And then you look at here, oh, the kitchen's moved over to the other end of the house. And you see the dining room there. Living room is there. There's an addition added onto that. This one is $50,000 more. So that's an average or an estimated cost. Then we go to the version 3. We still have the addition. The kitchen's moved down on the other side of the house. So we have this elongated entertainment area, and you can see this outdoor area. There's probably a pergola out there because you see those footings for some kind of probably a roof trellis or something like that. So these are, you know, where you get into the, we try to get into your mind and you try to share with us what's important to you. And then we have a series of meetings of narrowing this down and coming up with the price that you want. Sometimes it's not what you want, but the design is what you want. And we put that so that it's a solid confirmation. We go through and get all the fine tuning of the cost and everything, and we put that together. Then we move forward with a construction contract and start doing all the final selections.